Looking for a student accommodation containing basic amenities? At Apollo Tempe, you can have all that and more. Based on which of these 1 to 4 bedroom apartments you choose, you get a cosy bed, comfy couch, roomy closet, dresser drawers, and a sweet study nook. It's just like home, but better. Make doing laundry and dishes easier with your new washer and dryer plus dishwasher. What else? More like what not. Relax in the rooftop pool with spa. Unwind by the fire pits with something juicy from the barbecue grills, or get your game on in basketball court. No moment here is dull. And there's more. Community spaces and computer lab to study, gym to hit, yoga room to reset, jumbo TV for entertainment, coffee bar for quick caffeine fixes, outdoor space to chill and parking spaces for safety. Talk about convenience. Arizona State University and Grand Canyon University are a sweet stroll away. Late to class? No chance. Make your travel seamless with the buses at Rural Road and Apache Boulevard, or Lemon Street and Terrace Road and Light Rail Station at Rural Apache. Why wait to live like royalty? Book your spot in the kingdom of Apollo Tempe via amberstudent.com now.